Thank you for the introduction, and I'm very happy to be giving a talk here, a presentation at the Embedded Vision Summit. I remember attending this event in the first few years, and now that you see these exhibitors that are filling the hall, it was a room with 6 to 8 demos, basically, and you could see the explosion here of embedded vision products. And this is very relevant to what I'm talking about. And Jeff, and this is thanks also to the hard work and the amazing work of Jeff Beer and his team and working on this event. But also Jeff showed the exponential increase in partners, and this is happening also because of sensors increase and explosion of data that are also coming with these sensors. This is one factor in that is the accessibility of compact and low-cost sensors now that we can use on the go, including cameras and a variety of sensors like IR sensors. And recently, Google ATAP came up with also a low-power millimeter wave radar called Google Soli. You could Google it on YouTube, and you'll find it. It's pretty amazing. You can also embed it in various devices, in watches, phone, and you could do some really cool application, including natural human-machine interaction. At the same time, we do have a variety of sensors, and thanks to the previous speaker from NXP, he kind of talked about the variety of sensors and the amount of data and data explosion that comes with these sensors and how much bandwidth you require for those. And that's why, because we have this big data problem, we require machine learning now to help us and to make sense of all this data around us. So advances in machine learning is certainly helping to make sense of this data. But at the same time, machine learning, because it's a data-driven approach, requires more data also to be sensed so that we could also train these networks to be more intelligent.